Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm going to show you an 88 Chevy K5 Blazer 354 speed. Just got its patina body on it, original paint, got a 4-inch lift, 33 1250s. You can see some rock chips and a little bit of blistering here. Pretty clean old truck for a northern truck. 4-speed, is an air vehicle. Compressor doesn't have the belt on it currently, but look at my run video and you can see that most everything works on this thing. I'm sure these are on here because these are ripped, and you can see in the back seat that it's ripped. Got some rust back here, pretty common on all northern ones. Hinges are pretty clean, but there is a little bit of rust there, but it does open and everything. Of course, here's another spot that's normal on these, and then this side over here a little bit. But look underneath, the cross braces on this are pretty good. You know, has some rock chips and some paint that's faded off, but just looking for a cheap Blazer that's a driver. This thing runs and drives good and relatively solid, not a lot of rust on it. I do gotta let you know, northern Blazers, this is what they're like. Don't think you're buying a rust-free Blazer if you're buying it from the north. I don't care who you're buying it from. They do have some rust up here. So it's a disclosure because I had to buy one back and the guy didn't understand that it was a northern Blazer. So for a northern Blazer, it was nice. So if you want a rust-free one, buy one in Arizona. Sorry about my rant, but I just want to be, I'm very transparent. I just need to let you know what you're buying. 605-695-7391.